Alright guys, I recorded a real simple, quick video here about the Glow Easy Lock line of diffusers. This is the 25-inch white beauty dish, but this pertains to basically all of their Easy Lock diffusers. They come standard with a Bowens mount on the back. It's a Speedring adapter, Bowens mount Speedring adapter. I use Alienbees, which have an Alienbee connection, which is also referred to as a Balcar connection, B-A-L-C-A-R. I think it's like the generic name for it, but it's Alienbees, Einstein, Digibees, that kind of thing. So I just bought this Speedring adapter here. It is the Fotodiox Easy Pro Softbox ring insert for Alienbees. It is also on Amazon referred to as Balcar Fotodiox Balcar insert, I believe. It is 150 millimeters, which is it's referred to as a 6-inch, but it's actually in reality 150 millimeters, which is just barely shy of 6 inches, which is the exact size that these light modifiers use. So I'm going to open this thing up. I'm going to expand it. I'm not going to show you how to do that, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to remove it and add the Alienbee one. Okay, so this is the Bowens mount, which comes standard on them, which is great if you have virtually any other light besides Alienbees. Just unzip this zipper to give yourself a little more working room. There is a thumb screw right here, which you remove. Just unscrew it, and also a little piece of metal bracket that's underneath it. Remove both of those, and then there are 3 others, which are Phillips heads. You have to work around and remove all those. Yeah, so go ahead and go around and remove all 3 of those, because you're going to install them upside down of what they come from the factory, and I'll show you why in a sec. Okay, so now that I've got them removed, you just pull this straight out, no problem at all. The reason why you're going to install them differently is because if you see the thickness difference between these, the factory one is thicker. So the one you're replacing it with, though it's not flimsy, it's a little thinner. So, and it's plenty tough to use. But yeah, so what you're going to do is, these things are installed like this with a step up. You're actually going to flip that metal washer around and have it step down instead of step up, if that makes sense. I'll show you in a sec. So you're going to put it like that so that it steps down instead of stepping up, and then you just snug them all back in place, and the Speedring's good to go. And you'll hear my kiddo crying in the background, but as you can see, this is fitting in there, fitting down in the groove nicely, and it's a nice snug fit. It's not going anywhere. So I'll install these now with, once again, the bend facing downward, so it's putting closer, it's making closer contact with the ring to hold it in place better. With the last thumb screw tightened in, it is rock solid. It's not going anywhere. So, hope that's helpful to some of y'all. I couldn't find any tutorials on how to do it.